We drove from Wisconsin all the way to Tennessee to pick up this boat. We bought this boat without knowing if the engine runs, and the boat actually looks in pretty good condition. There's no actual damage on the boat, but if the engine doesn't run, then we'll have to end up fixing it or replacing. And if we do replace it, it costs like $7 grand. Alright, so we have to stay at a hotel one night because Copart doesn't actually open up until Monday, and today is Sunday, so we have to stay at night, but that's no big problem for us. We got some Domino's right now, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Dang, look at this. We definitely need new seats. We got the keys in here. Damn, this is pretty sick. Got some storage spots right here. You know, someone left a shoe in here. Very nice boat. What is this? Look at all these cars. Damn. It's pretty sick. Got a big boat right there. It's like a home. Ain't bad. But this is our boat that we bought. What even happened here? It's like someone tried to cut everything. Look at this. Dude, this thing is like non-repairable. If you're buying this, you're buying it for the trailer. This is cut too. I think someone was just playing around with it, honestly. Look at this pontoon right here. Oh my goodness. This thing is nice. Let's see if it got an engine in it. Oh, someone took out the engine. Look at that. Got a couple of jet skis there. I mean, look at the engine. It looks pretty good. Let's check out the inside. We will definitely have to power wash this. There's mold all over. Damn, this is pretty sick. We'll probably have to get like new leather for the seats. We got some storage areas. Who knows, maybe these speakers don't work. They probably do, honestly, if they're not flooded. And there's a storage area over there as well. And over here, there's another storage area right over here. Right, that's the storage area? I don't think so. Look at this, we also have a sink in here. We have to hook up the water. Let's see what's in there. Damn, someone drank a lot of Propel. So what we're gonna do now is power wash this whole boat, make it nice and clean. Let's go down. We have to power wash this. I think we'll be able to remove that. And later on, maybe in like a month or so, we will have to buff it because this is like super matte. The bottom is actually kind of good. It's kind of shiny, but pretty nice boat. So the boat is a little bit cleaner. We do have to get new leather for the seats. And here's the engine. It does run, we just tested it. Let's check out the exterior. It's a bit cleaner, but we do have to buff it and like polish it. I couldn't remove this, I don't know. It's like rust, but that's fine. Tomorrow we'll go out on the lake and test out this boat. I hope everything is good. It seems to be good. There's no like leaks or anything like that. There's no holes in the boat, so it should be good. In the next video, we'll do all the interior work like leather for the seats and stuff like that. So it's the next day and we're on the lake. The boat is backing up right now. It looks like we won't go on the lake today because the water is actually going inside the boat, so we have to fix it up. Dang, look how much water there is. It might be this area right here, or all the way on top over there.